Hello guys, welcome to Nutshell School. Today we are going to learn about how to apply a compressor in Logic Pro X. So I've already created a project by the name of Compressor tutorial, and here's a running guitar live which I've placed into my first stem, and let's listen to it first. So this is a raw live guitar that we recorded earlier, and there's no plugin, no effect on this right now. So let's go and apply a compressor to it. So if you go here and go in the dynamics, compressor, stereo, so this will take you to the compressor console, and you will have multiple compressors options over here like studio VCA, studio FET, classic VCA, vintage VCA. So all these compressors have different roles. My suggestion, if you are compressing a rhythmic sound, then go for a studio FET. And for vocals, platinum digital is really good. It all depends the kind of sound you are compressing. So let's go ahead with studio FET and let's listen how it sounds right now. So this is too loud, and you can see the threshold is almost around 10 and it's bouncing till here. So my suggestion is -5 is a very good a good frequency or good dB of bounce that is required. So basically if it's bouncing till here, so it is bringing forward all -5, all sounds till -5 dB to front. So that's what a compressor does. So we'll have to adjust it so it just don't bounce more than this. You can adjust it like with the threshold settings or the ratio, and then we have makeup, attack, release. These are not that much, but you can adjust these. Basically makeup is good on vocals if you want to gain it or make like brighten it up, but basically you have to play with these two. So that's it. This is how you apply a compressor on a track. Now let's go ahead and listen with and without the compressor. So let's go ahead and listen without the compressor first. So that's it guys. So it's very easy how to apply a compressor in Logic Pro X, and these are one of the free plugins that Logic Pro gives with itself. So you don't have to buy any plugin for this. And for more videos, for more Logic Pro tutorials, you can leave a comment on a specific topic you want us to make a video on. So you can just mention in the comments. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.